Welcome back, guys. Today, videos where top 3 useful kitchen item on Amazon.
The Gadget food chopper is a versatile manual vegetable chopper designed for ease of use and efficient food preparation. It features a stainless steel blade that ensures fast and even chopping of various ingredients such as vegetables, onions, garlic, nuts, and more. The chopper operates without electricity, making it both eco-friendly and easy to use anywhere. Key highlights of the Gadget chopper include dishwasher-safe components for easy cleaning, BPA-free materials to ensure food safety, a large capacity, 3 cups, and a compact design, making it a space-saving tool in the kitchen. The device is particularly suitable for quickly prepping small salads, toppings, or seasonings. It's highly recommended for people who want to save time on food prep and avoid touching sharp blades directly.
The Kitchen Unique Gadget Set, 6 pieces, is a compact and space-saving tool set designed to simplify various kitchen tasks. This set typically includes a cheese grater for cheeses, vegetables, and more, a garlic/ginger grinder for effortless mincing, a pizza cutter with a wheel designed for cutting through pizzas and flatbreads, a bottle opener for opening drinks in jars, a vegetable fruit peeler with a swivel blade for efficient peeling, an herb stripper for quickly removing leaves from stems. The stackable design makes it ideal for saving kitchen space, and it can also be used as a convenient gift set. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is a versatile 6-quart appliance that combines advanced technology with practical cooking functions, making it a standout in the kitchen. Key features include Smart Cooking. It offers 10 cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, and more. The Smart interface with a touchscreen makes it easy to navigate these options. You can also connect the cooker to the Chef IQ app via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for remote control and access to over 600 guided recipes. Built-in scale. A unique feature of this cooker is its built-in scale, which allows precise measurement of ingredients. This is ideal for exact cooking results without needing additional measuring tools. Guided recipes and cooking calculator. The app includes a guided cooking feature with video instructions and a cooking calculator that determines the optimal time, temperature, and liquid ratios based on what you are cooking. Auto pressure release. The cooker provides 3 methods of pressure release: quick, pulse, and natural, allowing you to control how pressure is released depending on the food being prepared.